This is a Yorkshire pudding, traditionally served with a Sunday roast. I'm having mine with a lamb shank. Join me here on Baking Bad and I'll show you how to make it. First, we're going to weigh 5 eggs. So that's 283 grams. So I'm going to transfer these eggs to a mixing bowl. I'm then going to weigh out the same with milk and flour. However, with the milk, I'm actually going to take out 50 grams and I'm going to replace that with water. The reason I do this is it makes them much lighter and crispier. So I'm in with the milk. So I've got roughly 233 grams of milk. I'm now going to add 50 grams of water to bring it up to the same weight as the eggs. I'm going to pour this in with the eggs and now the flour, 283 grams, which will be the same as the eggs and the milk and water that I've just weighed. So add the flour to the other 2 ingredients and then using an electric whisk, we're going to mix it till smooth. About halfway through, just scrape down the sides. You want to make sure you've got all the flour incorporated. So give it a good scrape. There we go. And then back in with the mixer. Now this is all smooth. To ensure you've got the best mixture possible and no lumps, I'm going to run this through a sieve. So this is a prime example of why you need to sieve, because no matter how hard you mix, you'll still just have these little lumps and we want this mixture to be as smooth as possible. So that's done now. So I'm going to put that in the fridge to rest for 2 hours. So here's the mix. It's been in the fridge for 2 hours, so it's nice and cool. In the meantime, I've put some goose fat and some vegetable oil and heated that up in the oven. So now we're going to pour it in. Want to work nice and quickly if we can. I want to get it about 3/4 of the way up. You can hear the sizzle because the fat's nice and hot. There we go. And then these are going to go in the oven for 20 minutes, gas mark 7, 220 Celsius or 428 Fahrenheit. So there they are, baked to perfection. As you saw, I'm going to serve these with a lamb shank, some mashed potato and vegetables, and some beautiful rich gravy. So if you haven't already subscribed, hit subscribe or give us a thumbs up or leave us a comment. Thanks for watching and join us again soon.